y'all, so we're just gonna jump right in. Today's video is sponsored by iDefine Wig. You guys know I love iDefine Wig. They sent over a 360 highlight lace front wig. It is in 22 inches. The density is 150%. This is how the inside is looking. The lace goes all the way around. This is the hairline. It is pre-plucked and natural looking. The knots are really tiny. I am doing a straight out of the box review, so I am not going to bleach the knots or make any changes. And this is where it sits on me. I am 5 foot. So I am going to put some foundation inside the lace so it can match me just a little bit more. And I am cutting the back lace to make it easier for myself. My first impressions on this unit, I loved how bouncy the curls were, and I did love the color of this wig and just the texture altogether. It was a very beautiful texture. I really love their hairline. iDefine wigs are known for natural looking hairlines. They're always pre-plucked and their knots are very tiny, so if you do decide to bleach the knots, they'll bleach very fast. But all I did was put some foundation, as you guys saw in the beginning, and you can even put some lace tint for even more natural look. It's just up to you. And I did pluck the hairline just a tiny bit in the front because I wanted to achieve a jagged kind of look. And yeah, so at this point I am laying her down with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. You guys already know about Bold Hold Liquid Gold. If you are new to my channel, you guys gotta check this stuff out. I love it. It is not a glue. It's more of a temporary hold, similar to a Got To Be spray, except it's not a spray. And it's just an amazing product. It'll be linked down below for those who are interested. And then I'm just going in with a little bit of olive oil spray for an extra hold. So now that we have laid down the front, it's time to take care of the back. I am not going to use any glue or gel. I usually don't do that anyways. It just doesn't work for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some bobby pins to lay her down. And since I do have a small head, I have to adjust the straps, and I'm left with 2 holes in the back. So I'm just going to lay those down with some bobby pins. And since I do have naturally fine hair, I felt it blended very well. So I did make it work the best way that I could. And this is how it's looking. I am gonna cut just a little bit of baby hairs. It did come with some baby hairs in the back already, but I'm just cutting them a little bit more, a little shorter. And then this is how it's looking. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing her, cutting the lace, styling her, and then I will be back to share my final thoughts and show you guys the final look. Just stay tuned.
Active by night? Keep going crazy.
I just wanted to hop on here really quick and share my baby hair technique with you guys. I've always tried to do the traditional baby hair that all of the hair models would do. I know you guys know what I'm talking about if you be on Instagram, but I just like to go for a more natural baby hair. I discovered that on my own. So just remember to always work with what works for you. So yeah, but I like to go with a softer looking baby hair, a more natural looking baby hair, and then I do brush them out at the end after laying them down to achieve that softer look, and you guys will see. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay them baby hairs down. You guys see here, they're very minimal. They look really natural in my opinion. But yeah, just a heads up, do what works for you. You don't gotta copy everything you see online or whatever. And yeah, all right. Just stay tuned, y'all. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I just did a little ponytail look, and I'm going to do a top bun right now to show you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a quick video. Well, I hope it was quick for y'all. But yeah, look at the little messy bun. It looks really cute. But I recommend this hair to you guys. This hair is gorgeous, and I can't wait to rock it down and straight. And it's just really cute. I really love the final result. I really hope you guys loved it too. If you are interested in this unit, you guys already know. I'm going to leave everything down below and all the products I used as well. And yeah, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.